Alright guys, in today's video I want to show you how I use AI to photocopy this thumbnail to my own thumbnail and this other one to my own thumbnail. No, thumbnail are the first thing that a viewer will see before clicking on your video. So if you don't have a good thumbnail, people will not click on your video. So in the sense of you creating video and also using extra days to create thumbnail, instead I use AI to photocopy someone's thumbnail to my own thumbnail. So how do I do this? I will show you on this video step by step on how I do it under 5 minutes. You get your own thumbnail. Just go to online, get an attractive thumbnail, look at the thumbnail. If you like it, use it from this other one and also get your own thumbnail. So let us get into the class. Alright guys, the first thing that we are going to do is for us to go to YouTube and look for a similar content that we just created. Maybe you were creating something like how can I get views? You want to see other people thumbnail the way they do their own. So you can just type in how can I have a views on YouTube. Just check it. Then we get to check the one that, for example, now let us use this Jarvis studio this Jarvis thumbnail. You want to create thumbnail like this Jarvis one, this one. You want to create thumbnail like this Jarvis one, like that said. Click the settings and go viral. Your content was on how to get a views, and we have a thumbnail, thumbnail like this. You write it here, click the settings and go viral. We also have another thumbnail here that they say the new way. So anyone that you want to pick when you get your own that is similar to the kind of content that you want to do. So what I will do is, the first thing is for you to download the thumbnail. When you download the thumbnail, then I will show you what to do. So how do you download this thumbnail? It's for you to click on the share button and copy the video link. So you see these three dots. So I will use this one. I will use this one. Yes, the VIQ. I'll use this thumbnail, the new way. This thumbnail is looking attractive. So what I will do is I'll click on these three dots. After clicking on these three dots, then I will click on share. Then when I click on share, I will copy the link. After copying the link, I will minimize my phone and go to Chrome. Going to Chrome, you go to this website called, just write download. Sorry guys. Download YouTube thumbnail. Then when you click on download YouTube thumbnail, you click on the first one that you will see. You click on here. When you click on here, you will see a website like this. This website is only for us to get the thumbnail to our gallery. So what we will do is for us to paste the link here. So when you paste the link there and click this and get image. When you click get image, this is the image. So you just download the HD format so that it will sharp a little. Just click on that download HD format, then it will download. After downloading now, what you will do is for you to go to ChatGTP. Go to ChatGTP. When you go to ChatGTP, click on this plus icon and upload that thumbnail. Click on the thumbnail. Then you paste this from prompt, which I'm going to drop it on my description. Give me the right prompt to generate this photo exactly on Gemini using the new image I will upload on Gemini. So this is the prompt that you will paste to ChatGTP and allow ChatGTP to give you the prompt that will generate short thumbnail for you. So this is the prompt that ChatGTP have generated for me. So you will copy this prompt now. After copying this prompt, so what you will do is for you to go to Gemini. Going to Gemini, you click on this plus icon and look for a photo of yours that you are going to use to generate short thumbnail, like the photo that we will use to replace that man in our thumbnail. Then There's a photo that I would love to use to generate such. I will use this image. Then click on done. Then what will happen here is for us to paste our prompt that we copy on ChatGPT. Then keep a little space and tell him the size of the photo you want is 16 is to 9 or 16 by 9, and click on generate and wait for Gemini to give us the thumbnail. So let's just see if it will look like the thumbnail that we download. Alright guys, this is the thumbnail. You see the new way. Look at the thumbnail, the way it is. You click on the thumbnail and click on download. Click on download and it will download to your phone gallery. So what will happen is for us to remove this watermark that is here, so that people will not know that we are taking this photo from Gemini. So what we'll do is for us to go to CapCut. Go to CapCut, click on photo editing, bring in that photo in to CapCut. Then what will happen is after bringing in, you choose size and still use the same size, 16 by 9. You choose 16 by 9, click on save. Then click on the photo and zoom it a little until that watermark is gone. Zoom it a little until that watermark is gone. Then we have our thumbnail like this. You can also touch by editing it, adding some color to it so that it will look nice, more nice than that. We can also add some colors to it, bringing in contrast, saturation, vibrance, the more that anyhow you want it to look like. So that as for me, this is my setting that I always use. I know these numbers already, so just click it and click on done on export. You click on export. This is our thumbnail for now. So let's get to see the difference between the one that we download and the one that we didn't, the one that we get it from the man. Look at the one that we get from the man and look at our own. You see? Please, if this tutorial means a lot to you, kindly subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping simple steps and hack that you can be doing it using your phone. Subscribe to this channel so that you will not be missing any AI generating video that I will be dropping. See you in our next class. Thank you.